Hello there, Stormy Sky viewers. We're here in Mukwonago on the CN Waukesha sub. We have a northbound train coming, and I heard that it's a coal train. So we will see what that is when it gets here. That's not something we see very often on this line. So I am definitely curious to see what this train is. So hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment and a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. Well, that was different. I wonder if those cars are headed someplace for some rebuilding or maintenance on them. So we will see. If I find out any info, I'll put it in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone.